What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share how much money YouTube paid me for my first month being monetized. Now, I actually made a lot more than I thought I was going to make in my first month, and I get paid more than most other YouTubers, so I'm going to share how all that works and break down all of the numbers, so hopefully it could serve as motivation for you if you are looking to start a YouTube channel. But without you guys, this channel would be nothing, so I really appreciate your support. When you like my videos, comment, and subscribe to my channel, it really helps me grow, and it gives me the opportunity to produce more content for you guys to hopefully help you out with your Amazon business or investing. Whatever types of videos I put on my channel, hopefully you enjoy them. So like I say in all my videos, just by liking my content, dropping a comment down below, subscribing to the channel, I do a giveaway because I appreciate it so much, where I give away my Amazon course or a $100 prize if you don't want to learn about Amazon. And hopefully that's enough to get you to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. All right, with all that being said, let's get into my YouTube channel right now. So I'm not going to make you wait. First off, you can see I made $554 on YouTube in my first month. It's been about 31 days since I started monetizing my content, and my first day, if I go back here to the last 90 days, I made around $5.70. So I thought I was going to make maybe around a couple $100 a month, if that. I really thought I was going to make like under $1 a day, but after that first day I saw $5 and I was pretty happy with that. Again, I wasn't getting paid for my content for a while. It's been over a year since I've been able to monetize my content, so when I saw that $5.70, I was pretty impressed. But then I saw it keep growing, and now I'm averaging around $20 a day. On this one day right here, I made over $50 in one day just by people watching my content. So I was really happy with that. But like I said, I make a little more than other YouTubers, because if you look at my RPM, which is your revenue per 1,000 views, I make about $35.54 for every 1,000 views that I get on my channel. So a lot of other YouTube channels, you'll see them around $10 or less, and that is because I am in the financial investing, making money type of industry. So the advertisers pay more to get their content on the YouTube videos and the ads. So they pay around $77 per 1,000 views. I think that's how it works. Again, I'm still new to YouTube. I've only been getting paid for about a month, so I need to look more into these actual metrics. But yeah, that's basically it. I made over $500 my first month. A couple tips for you guys. Again, this is for motivation. I'm not bragging, but you can make money on YouTube if you share what you like to do. So if you make music and you want to create content to teach others, then all you have to do is have a computer, a camera, a couple lights, and you could start teaching others. Again, this doesn't happen overnight. You're not going to start making tons of money. This is just like side income, but in a couple years, maybe it'll keep growing and I'll keep doing YouTube, and that could be a full-time income. So don't do it for the money, do it for your enjoyment. It might be a little uncomfortable at first, but as you grow, you'll get more into it and your content will get better. Hopefully mine's gotten better from my first video. There are days where I don't want to create videos, but you have to be persistent and just do it because you enjoy it. All right, so one other tip that one of my students showed me is this plugin right here. So it's called vidIQ. So this is cool because if you do keyword research like in Amazon or any other type of advertising platforms, you could actually see how many people are searching that keyword on YouTube that you put in your tags on your videos. So let me go to one of my videos right now. So when you put your video up, you want to make sure that the tags in here have high search volumes from people on YouTube. So what you do is click right here, and then it's going to show you how many people are actually searching that keyword. So you can see like 14,000 are searching this keyword, Amazon PPC strategy. This one only has 1,400. So you can actually see how many people are searching those keywords when you are adding all of the different keywords in your tag section on your videos. You can see I'm ranked number 1 for Pat Harris, and a little over 1,400 people are searching that keyword. So I found this plugin. It's completely free, pretty helpful if you want to try it out. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with the results. I thought I was going to make maybe a couple $100 in my first month. Initially, before I saw that first day, I thought I would make like less than $1 a day and hopefully make 30-40 bucks a month. But as you can see, I've made over $500. And if we go to 90 days, I made $581, around $20 a day, some days 15. But hopefully this will keep going up. And I know we all hate ads, but it does help the YouTube creators make some money for their free content. So again, I really appreciate your support on my channel, whether you're watching my channel for Amazon or investing, stocks, options, or just my YouTube videos like this one. So again, I want to say thanks for all the support, and whenever you hit that like button, drop a comment or subscribe to the channel. That really does help me out, and hopefully one day you could win the giveaway that I do every month. All right, thanks again for watching my content, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.